Ever wondered how Europeans make those incredibly flaky, buttery pastries that just melt in your mouth? Well, you're in for a treat, because today, we're diving into the wonderful world of European puff pastry. Forget the store-bought stuff for a moment. We're talking about classic recipes that have been perfected over generations. First up, the iconic French millefeuille, which literally means 1,000 leaves. It's made of layers of delicate puff pastry, alternating with rich pastry cream, and topped with a simple glaze or powdered sugar. The secret is keeping your butter and dough ice cold to create those distinct, airy layers. The crunch you get with every bite is just pure bliss. Next, we travel to Portugal for the famous pastel de nata. While it traditionally uses a unique type of laminated dough, you can get amazing results with classic puff pastry. These little custard tarts have a creamy, slightly caramelized filling nestled in a crispy, flaky cup. They're an absolute staple in Portuguese bakeries, and once you make them at home, you'll see why. They're simply irresistible. Let's not forget the savory side of things. In the UK, the sausage roll is a national treasure. It's deliciously seasoned sausage meat wrapped in golden brown puff pastry. It's the perfect snack, lunch, or party food. Super easy to make, but incredibly satisfying. A little egg wash on top before baking gives it that perfect shine. And for something a bit different, let's go to Austria for the Apfelstrudel or apple strudel. While traditional strudel dough is stretched paper thin, using puff pastry is a fantastic and much quicker alternative. Imagine warm, spiced apples, raisins, and cinnamon all bundled up in a flaky, buttery crust, served with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's the ultimate comfort dessert. So there you have it. For incredible European recipes that all start with one magic ingredient, puff pastry. Whether you're in the mood for something sweet or savory, there's a flaky delight waiting for you. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious adventures. See you next time.